Politicians and diapers must be changed often for the same reason. They're full of shit. Ang naging problema lang ng Pilipino is that the Filipinos are so dumb, corrupted, na hindi nila alam kung sinong politiko yung full of shit. They are so blinded by their biases, by their political colors, that they forget to think for themselves. Alam mo yung nakakatawa dun is nilalaban nila ng disownan yung kapamilya nila, kaibigan nila, katrabaho, so on and so forth, just because of politics. When that politician won't even be there for you, lalo na pag nagkagipitan, it's always your family ang unang tutulong sa'yo. And yet somehow you got convinced na piliin yung politiko over sa pamilya mo. And one of the reasons as well kung bakit kahit mali na, pinagtatanggol mo pa rin yung grupo mo, yung paniniwala mo, it's because your identity is tied up with the belief. At pag napatunayang mali yung belief na yun, magsha-shatter yung identity mo. So that's how they have brainwashed us to think or how to think about politics. Now, hindi naman nagmamatter kung nagkamali ka. We all do. To err is human, di ba? Now, magkakaroon lang ng problema if you keep on persisting doon sa mali. Kahit na napatunayan na at napaliwanagan na mali ka. Then doon magkakaroon ng problema. They will not make you think. They will make you emotional. They rarely put some sense in their arguments, and most of their arguments are directed doon sa tao, hindi sa issue. Well, and since, di ba, kung yung values ng simpleng mamamayan ganun, ano sa tingin mo yung magiging values nung iboboto nilang politiko? Di malamang ganun din. Tapos nagtataka tayo, ba't corrupt yung government officials natin? Corrupt yung senador, congressman, mayor, barangay, so on and so forth. Kasi again, sino-sino ba ang bumoboto doon sa mga nananalo? Of course, yung mga Filipino. So, it reflects the values na meron tayo. Kaya kung bastos, mangmang, ignorante yung mga government officials natin, mga loko-loko, magnanakaw, it reflects the values of the majority ng Pilipino. Well, this is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.
This is Pinoy Extreme.